Ooh, that's wet. Welcome back, guys. So today is very exciting. Should probably restart the intro. So by the title of this video, you already know what the install video is going to be about, but I'm very excited because I have a couple of reasons why. So first, let's pull in my car into the garage. So you're probably wondering, Phil, why are you getting overly excited over a roof rack? Well, I'm gonna explain that in another video. Alright, before we open this, little backstory. So I was searching through eBay, yes, believe it or not, eBay, because I wanted to save a little bit of money because these things are really expensive. So luckily I found this one person who was selling it brand new, basically open box, brand new, and I got it for $280, which is really good. So I bought it right away. All right, now time to open the box. Alright, so we got both roof racks, the rubber stuff, the cover, and the whole clamp kit. So now let's get to installing. Alright, so first we're going to install these rubber pieces that go inside here. Alright, so now that we got that complete, time to add these rubber paddings to the bottom. Ouch. Alright, so next I'm going to measure basically where to put the roof rack on. I'm going to use these stickers to mark off where I want to put it. So if I ever remove it, then I can put it back in the same spot. Alright, so I'm all done with that. I measured all the spots where the roof rack has to go. So now, let's install the big boy. Alright, so now that we got those aligned, time to whip out our clamp kit and clamp these bad boys on. Okay, so now that they're both on nice and sturdy, now we can add on our covers. All done. So basically, I'm a retard. Now we're all finished. Now let's take it outside for a better look. Okay, now that goes together so well.